does that mean, don't make noise?
A statement.
Everybody, let's do what they say. Put your phones on silent, okay?
What's happening?
I don't know.
Blasted through an ancient rock fall sealed off for millions of years.
What the?
Do not make noise. Do not.
All right, you hang tight. I'll be right back.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna get some gear. You want to stick around while a million of those things show up?
No, but we're supposed to just stay here and stay silent.
Then the cities are the worst place to be, aren't they?
Mom, if you're not up to this, then we can stay. There are plenty of people waiting this out in their homes. Do me a favor. Put these with your things. Hide them as best you can. I don't want the kids to see you. Just now.
Hey, you got room for this?
Yeah.
What's that?
Tactical supplies.
Whoa. Can I go with Uncle Glenn?
I'll take care of them.
Okay. Stay away from us.
I'll follow you. Okay, let's go.